I'm Seth Wagner. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of AIM Strategies, and we are at the Pennant, which was the first restaurant that we opened in downtown Topeka. We wanted to develop kind of a community gathering point in downtown, and to be honest, I'd travel all over the country and go to different places stealing just different ideas for the Pennant, but wanted to bring something that was super unique. One, we wanted to have a really dynamic menu, things on there that people had never seen before, signature items, completely over-the-top shakes, gluttonous food. Wanted to pair that with an arcade here in town that people hadn't seen before, along with a bowling alley. Excited to be nominated for this award and really get the word out to everybody in the state about the special things we're doing here in Topeka, not only as the Pennant, but the whole revitalization that's going on in downtown Topeka.